Good morning, grade 6. Welcome back to grade 6 mathematics class. Hope you all are doing great today. Let's learn more about ratios today. So have a look at the statement given here. Yash is 24 years old and his sister's age is 12 years. Now let's make a comparison of their ages. How can we compare their ages? See, I'm going to take the difference between their ages. So Yash is 24 years old and his sister is 12 years old. So when you take the difference, you'll see that Yash is 12 years older than his sister. That is 24 minus 12, 12 years older than his sister. Look at another statement here. The weight of a man is 80 kilogram and the weight of an elephant is 4000 kilogram. So here it is comparatively a bigger quantity here. Now, how can we compare these two quantities? The man's weight is 80 kilogram whereas the elephant's weight is 4000 kilogram. If we compare these two quantities with subtraction, we can see that the weight of the elephant is 3920 kilogram more than the weight of a man. Instead of taking difference, it will be a better way if we can say how many times the elephant is heavier than the man. So in the case of bigger quantities, instead of taking the difference, comparing the quantities by division is a better way. So here, if we compare the quantities by division, how can we express it? It would be weight of the elephant by weight of the man. That is 4000 by 80, which is equal to 50. So this means that the elephant is 50 times heavier than the man, which is a better way of comparison. So when we compare quantities by dividing one quantity by the other, it is called comparison by division. So let's look at the first example once again. We were given Yash is 24 years old and his sister's age is 12 years. So if we compare their ages by division, it can be written as Yash's age by sister's age, which is equal to 24 by 12, which is the same as 2 by 1. So this means that Yash's age is 2 times the age of his sister. See, we can compare two quantities in terms of how many times. So this comparison is called ratio. So when we compare two quantities by dividing one quantity by the other, it is called comparison by division and we get a ratio. That is, with a ratio, we can compare two quantities in terms of how many times. And there is a symbol that we use to represent a ratio. See, ratio is denoted by a colon, this symbol. In the previous example, we compared Yash's age and his sister's age by division and we saw that Yash's age by his sister's age is equal to 2 by 1. And this means Yash's age is 2 times that of his sister. And how can we express this as a ratio? This can be represented as a ratio as 2:1. This is read as 2:1. This means 2 times Yash's age is 1 time his sister's age. That is, Yash's age is 2 times than that of his sister's age. Now, let's have a look at one question. Here it says the length of a sari is 6 meter and the length of a ribbon is 30 centimeter. What is the ratio of their length? So, when you say ratio, that means it is a comparison by division. Now, when you compare two quantities, keep in mind we have to compare quantities which are in the same unit always. Here, are the measurements in the same unit? No. One is given in meters whereas the other is given as centimeters. So, first we have to make sure that the quantities are expressed with the same unit. So, one is 30 centimeter and the other one is 6 meter. So, let's convert the measurement given in meters to centimeters. So, 6 meter can be written as 600 centimeter. So, the ratio of the length of the sari to the length of the ribbon is equal to 600:30. Now, it is always best to express a ratio in its lowest form or its simplest form. So, for that, we are going to write 600:30 as 600 by 30, which when reduced to the lowest form gives you 20 by 1. Now, 20 by 1 can be expressed as 20:1. This is the ratio of the length of the saree to the length of the ribbon. So this ratio means the length of the saree is 20 times than that of the ribbon. Now this is the ratio of length of the saree to the length of the ribbon. Now what would be the ratio of length of the ribbon to the length of the saree? So that would be equal to 30:600. 30 is the length of the ribbon and 600 is the length of the saree in centimeters. So 30:600 can be written as 30 by 600. Now when you reduce it to the lowest form, you will see it is equal to 1 by 20. And 1 by 20 can be expressed as a ratio like this, 1:20. So children, this is about the concept of ratio. Ratio is about comparing quantities by dividing one quantity by the other. Now you have to go through this topic once again. This is given in page number 142 under the heading ratio. Now there is a try this exercise given in the same page, and there is one more try this exercise given at the top of the next page. And you have to go through these two exercises and work them out in your notebook. Once you are done, please do take a picture and send us through Teams. So that's all for today, children. We'll see you in the next class with a new topic. Till then, bye.